This is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So first of all, find and launch the Google Drive application. Sign into your Google account if necessary, or well, if you haven't already, rather. Then at the bottom right corner of your display you'll find this plus sign or plus icon, so tap on it, choose the scan option, grant Drive app with the camera permission, and then take a photo of the document that you wanted to, well, scan. So if you're satisfied with picture and would like to proceed, just do so. If not, retake the photo. At this interface we can crop the image. As you can see, mine was cropped incorrectly, so I will manually frame the part of the original photo that I would like to be included into the final document that I'm about to create. You can also align your file or document using this tool as well. Onwards I can rotate the image if I need to, or change its color scheme. Then if you're ready to save it as a PDF file, hit that save button. In here make some final adjustments if needed, such as customizing the document title, or well, renaming your document, or perhaps changing the Google account or Drive folder that this file will be saved to. Then hit the save button to your bottom right, wait until the file gets uploaded to your Google Drive, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.